Today, let me share with you how to configure Proxy302 in ixBrowser. Let's open www.proxy302.com. Click the button to start free trial. Proxy302 supports both HTTPS and SOCKS5 protocols as proxies. After logging in, we generate a proxy for configuration. Static IP proxy that charged by traffic. We choose the United States, US. Click to generate now. Proxy generated successfully. We click the blue button. Next to the proxy information, open the replication window of the proxy. We can copy and paste information according to the format set by the ixBrowser. ixBrowser supports automatic matching of proxy information. ixBrowser select browser profile. Profile list, click Create Profile. Part 1. Platform Account Configuration. Account configuration information, which can be customized. Part 2. Proxy configuration. Click to select proxy type, HTTP. Fill in the proxy format. Copy and paste the proxy. Information of Proxy302 into it. Click on Proxy Detection Global Line. After passing the detection, click Create. Click to open browser. Can access IP to location to check if the IP is consistent. The configuration is successful. The above is the content shared today. Follow us for faster access to future shared content.